Hey, I'm the PTFX Gold Rush Auto bot. And in an economy like this, high prices, inflation, bills jumping every month, depending only on a job can feel like running on a treadmill that keeps speeding up. So let me explain what I am. I'm an auto trading system designed to trade gold, also known as XAUUSD, using preset rules and strategy logic. Want to know more about me? Well, here's how I work. You connect me to your trading platform, load the settings, and I scan the charts. When conditions match the strategy, I can open and manage trades automatically. You don't have to read charts or even know how to trade because I do the trading for you. If you've ever said, "I don't know how to trade," or "I don't have time," that's exactly why the PTFX Gold Rush Auto Trading software exists. You don't need technical skills. You just need to follow the setup steps and let AI do the rest of the work. And let me make this part clear. You do not have to refer a single person to use me. This is not one of those, "you only make money if you recruit," situations. You can simply use the system and get paid. Getting referrals is optional. Some members earn $400 to $1,000 per referral, and commissions can be paid daily worldwide in different currencies. So if you like earning instant commissions or if you have a network, this is for you. But again, optional and not required. We also have a playlist of 70+ testimonials from members showing real proof and results. And in this video, you're going to see Mike Taylor show how he made over $500 in 1 hour with the Gold Rush AutoTrader. Let's dive into this proof now. Then we will tell you how to get started at the end.
Okay, y'all, so we're back at it again. For those that saw my last video, I actually started this account off with $1,114 with the PTFX Gold Rush AutoTrader, and I made about a $400 profit. That was on Friday morning. Now, if you look in the bottom right corner, it's April the 27th. It's officially Monday morning, and I'm about to go ahead and turn it on. It's about 6:40, and we're going to see what type of profits are going to be made today, and how long does it take to make them. So with no further ado, let's go ahead and turn it on, and I'm going to go ahead and go up at the top. You see Gold Rush AutoTrader live right there. You see my balance is at $15.21 and 94 cents. So let's go ahead and simply, and for those of y'all that wondering, how do you use this software? This is how easy it is. Once we show you how to set it up, which is real easy, then once you set it up, simply when you're ready to turn it on, you just go up to the top and you see this auto trading button and it's red. Click it, turn it to green, starts reading the charts, immediately starts executing trades. So it's going to go ahead and start executing some trades. And we're going to go ahead and give it time to do its thing. I kind of bring it up a little bit so you can see what's going on here. So you can see it's opening up trades, it's reading the charts, mostly buys, so that must be the direction the market is going in right now. So I'm going to let this do its thing, and then I'm going to come back in a few minutes. And well, not in a few minutes. I'm just going to kind of check the progress throughout like I did on the last video. And then when I'm finally ready to close it out, we'll see what the end result is. I'll be back. Okay, so I'm checking back in already. So look at my clock down there in the bottom right corner. It is 6:43. So this thing has only been on for 3 minutes. Remember, my starting balance was 15.21. But right now, you see my equity right now is at 16.29. So if I was to close these trades out right now, I would have made $100 profit in about 3 minutes with this thing. How amazing is that? However, we're looking for bigger results today. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video again. I'll come back and we'll keep checking on the progress throughout this whole thing. All right, y'all. So another quick check-in just to see the progress, y'all. You see the timestamp right here. We started at 6:40. It's now 7:09. So it's been roughly 29, about to be 30 minutes. And look, I started with 15.21. Now my equity is at 17.33, y'all. 17.27. Where you see it's fluctuate, but basically we're at a total of about $200 profit right now. If I was to close everything out right now, $200 in just 30 minutes, y'all. But we're gonna go ahead and let this thing ride out. I feel real confident about how it's moving. As you can see, just by these last few seconds, we'd have moved up another $30, $40, $50. And you see, it's collecting profits as we go. As you can see, it's jumping and it's closing the balance out. So I'll update you guys, but I just want to show you the progress. Okay, y'all. So I want to update you on where we at right now. So if you look right here, you'll see it's about 7:43. So it's been about an hour since we've been running this. And you see my equity is about a little over 2K. So we're at about a $500 profit. However, my balance actually got up to about 2,300. So you can see it's actually turning around in the negative. So I want to go ahead and close out this profit. So I'm going to close it out. Now, remember, we started with 1521 an hour ago. And we got up to about it was actually up to about 2,300. So we actually got up to about $800 in profit, but it started to turn around. So even though it's turning around, it looks like we're going to secure close to about a $500 profit in about an hour, which I really, really like. So let me go ahead and let these trades continue to close out. You see they're closing out one by one. All right, everything has been closed out. So you see the final total is about let me do the quick math, $531 profit, y'all. So just that quick. So for those of y'all that's wondering, is the Gold Rush worth it? Is it easy to use? You just saw the whole process. All I did was literally turn on the AutoTrader. The computer did everything. All I did was update you guys as it was going on, and then I closed out the trades and was able to secure a $500 profit, 531 to be exact, in a little over an hour. So it's that easy. If you want to know more about this, reach out to me directly. The information is in the description of the video. Thank you.
Thank you to those PTFX members for their testimonials. As you can see, this software is literally a money printer, taking trades all day, every day when the market is open. Also, if you want to get paid for referrals, every time you sell the AutoTrader, you earn unlimited $400 instant commissions. And the only requirement to earn these commissions is that you are a member of PTFX University and that you have a license with the PTFX Gold AutoTrader yourself. And the cool part about this is that it's 100% international. No matter where you live, you can get started and get paid in your own currency. This also makes a great gift. Give someone a tool that prints money. Mother's Day, Father's Day, Christmas, birthdays. It's the perfect gift. Just ask Mike Taylor.
Mike Taylor checking in. And I can honestly say, after 12 years of experience working online, this is by far the best thing I've ever had to offer to any of my customers. Setup is super simple, no tech skills needed, and if you need help, I got you. This bot literally prints money. Trades happen on autopilot. Withdraw anytime. Ready to get started? Go to PTFXGoldRush.com and let's go ahead and book a call and let's talk. Let's find out what your goals are and let's get you paid. Because remember, if you're waiting for the perfect time, this is it. Wealth rewards action, not hesitation. Please like and subscribe.